Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Dark and Lovely Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel. This is just the regular hold, and this is the 4.4 ounces, 125G, and this is just says 3 times less breakage. And okay guys, the only reason I'm gonna read this is because I just want to be a testament to this product. And this is just one of my favorite products, so this is the only reason why I'm going to read this. But I just want to read it, and then I just want to talk about it because, and I'm going to show you guys later on in a little bit what this looks like, but definitely hands down one of my favorite products. But it just says Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel Regular Hold. It just says it's micro emulsion formula, provides great hold and shine and conditioning with up to 3 times less breakage. Sleek it, slick it, shine it, define it with conditioning hold that moves with a stroke of a brush and a classic fragrance. No wax, no flaking, no drying alcohol. Directions: apply a small amount into the palm of your hand and rub hands together. Work through wet or dry hair, style as desired. Okay, right here it says America's #1 conditioning gel brand, and they are not lying. So starting off, okay, before I start bragging about this product, when I was little, Dark and Lovely, which is like, if you guys can see it right here, that's the brand of this. Dark and Lovely was definitely like a stigma for me and my siblings growing up. My mom lived by Dark and Lovely. Like, Dark and Lovely was just like a brand that I feel like a lot of young black girls used and a lot of young black mothers used. Dark and Lovely definitely was something that growing up, it was just a part of my childhood. And so as I got older, I felt like that I needed to switch brands because I got older, and I felt like the brands that you use when you're younger, you don't use those when you're older because, you know, like, you're growing out of that. Like, it's just something that, yeah, like, you're growing out of it. You don't need to use the same brands. So I started wandering off and tried to like find other brands that I felt like would have fit me, or like I felt like would have went with my hair texture. And the best thing that I've realized about these products is that normally, like, the stuff that you use when you were younger, just because you get older doesn't mean you can't use it. And so what I've been finding is that the things that like I've been using when I was little honestly work so well in my hair, and I should have never like turned away from that or got away from that. Honestly, like by far the best gel that I've used, and I have not had the best luck with gel. So my hair is natural, and I just want to, for anybody who does not know what natural hair is, I'm an African American woman. I don't have any conditioners, or I don't have any relaxers in my hair. I don't have any perms in my hair. I have not straightened my hair. This is going to be my 3rd year not straightening my hair. I'm doing like the no heat challenge, and this is my 3rd year going. I don't even use a blow dryer. And so a lot of natural girls have is like putting your hair into protective styles, and then also like figuring out different ways to like work with your natural hair. And I think the biggest problem that I always come across with my natural hair is that I don't want there to be any breakage. The point of me not having heat in my hair or putting heat in my hair is so that it's not getting damaged. And so those are like my biggest things. Like, I honestly like don't want to damage my hair, and so that's why I decided to do the no heat challenge. But what I found with a lot of gels and a lot of edge controls is that I'll put gel and edge control in my hair, and my hair will either flake, I'll see breakage, like it just is so bad. And you honestly do not want that for your hair. Everybody wants healthy hair. But with this, you don't get any breakage, no flaking. Honestly, I just rub a little bit of this into my hair, and I'll put a little edge control in with it. And guys, you honestly don't even need the edge control with it like this. And when it says just a little bit in the palm of your hand, it like I am literally not even trying to over exaggerate. Like, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. But I just want to show you guys what this product looks like. So this is what the product looks like. I don't know if you guys can see the kind of bottle it's in. If any of you guys are familiar with edge control bottles, that's the kind of bottle it's in. And one thing that I can say definitely, I'm so sorry guys, one thing that I can say definitely about this product as well is that this is my third bottle, and I bought this like in January, so honestly don't need that much of this. And especially, and the one thing that I always say, and the one thing that my hairdresser always say, is be like very sparing with the amount you're putting in your hair. Oftentimes the reason why people have breakage is because they take big clumps of gel, big wads of edge control, and they'll just put it all in their hair. And you know, like, that's not okay, because your hair can only take so much. And the biggest lessons that I've always learned is, like, you want to treat your hair like you treat yourself. Like, it's a part of you, like you want to take care of it. And so that's why I live by this brand. I love this brand. The condition and shine part, really, you definitely can see it as soon as you put in your hair. That's not a lie either. And like I said before, one of my favorite brands, this is not even one of my, it is my favorite gel, and this might as well be an edge control for me too, because this is what I use for my edges as well. But like I said before guys, this is just the Dark and Lovely Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel Regular Hold, and it says 3 times less the breakage, and they are not lying.